Every year, on February 1st, Rwanda, a land of rolling hills and boundless resilience, honors its National Heroes Day, a time to remember and celebrate those who have exemplified the highest values of patriotism and sacrifice for the nation and its citizens. National Heroes Day was established to pay tribute to individuals who defended the nation's core values. The day serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made to uphold Rwanda's dignity and sovereignty. Rwanda classifies its heroes into three distinct categories: Imanzi, the ultimate heroes whose achievements are unparalleled; Imana, those recognized for their remarkable acts of bravery; and Ingenzi, individuals who have made significant contributions to the nation. Among the esteemed Imanzi are 1. Major General Fred Rwigema, who led with unparalleled courage during the liberation struggle, ultimately sacrificing his life in 1990 for Rwanda's future. 2. Imana, Rwanda's first female prime minister, who was a beacon of progress in a turbulent time. She fought tirelessly for women's rights and education, defying the odds in a patriarchal society. In the wake of the 1994 genocide, Agat's bravery shone brightest. She shielded her family and stood as a voice of peace amid chaos, even when it cost her life. 3. Far from the spotlight, Captain Mbaye Diagne, a Senegalese peacekeeper, saved hundreds of lives during the genocide by risking his own life repeatedly, proving that heroism knows no borders. 4. Post-genocide, Paul Kagame led Rwanda into a new era, promoting reconciliation, development, and dignity. His leadership has transformed Rwanda into a beacon of progress on the continent. Heroes come in many forms, including the youth who embraced education, innovation, and community rebuilding. Together, they form the backbone of Rwanda's bright future. Foundations like Imbuto amplify the legacy of national heroes, nurturing talent and fostering leadership among young Rwandans to carry the torch forward. Rwanda leads Africa in women's representation in leadership roles, proving that empowering women uplifts entire nations. Beyond the celebrated figures are ordinary citizens who perform extraordinary acts, embodying the spirit of heroism in daily life. A Rwandan farmer sharing food with neighbors, a teacher passionately educating children, and a doctor treating patients with compassion are examples of everyday heroes. Today, Heroes Day is marked by nationwide ceremonies, including wreath-laying at the National Heroes Mausoleum in Kigali, where citizens gather to honor the memory of those who defended the nation's highest values. The Chancellery for Heroes, National Orders and Decorations of Honor, plays a pivotal role in identifying and celebrating these heroes. Places like the Kigali Genocide Memorial ensure that the sacrifices of Rwanda's heroes are never forgotten, teaching the world about resilience and forgiveness. Every February 1st, Rwanda honors its heroes, reminding the nation of the courage it took to rise again and the unity it takes to move forward. In recent years, the day has been observed under themes emphasizing heroism and dignity. For instance, the 30th National Heroes Day was celebrated under the theme Our Heroism, Our Dignity, with Prime Minister Dr. Edouard Girente leading the wreath-laying ceremony. The legacy of Rwanda's heroes inspires the youth to embody the same values of patriotism and selflessness, ensuring that the spirit of heroism continues to thrive in future generations. Heroes are not born, they are made through courage, sacrifice, and a relentless commitment to a better tomorrow. Let us honor their legacy and strive to be heroes in our own way. The sacrifices of Rwanda's heroes have paved the way for a united and resilient nation, reminding us all of the power of courage and the enduring impact of selfless acts. As we commemorate Heroes Day, let us honor the legacy of those who came before us by embracing the values they stood for and striving to be heroes in our own right. Thank you for joining us in this tribute to Rwanda's heroes. Share this story to inspire others, and let's continue to build a nation worthy of their sacrifices.